All right, Mr. Shoe Game tight all day, all night, and this is going to be a different video in a sense. Oh yeah, by the way, here's what I got, because this is a shoe channel. It's a shoe channel, so nines. I don't know how this is going to turn off, but yeah. So now that's done. Follow me on Instagram, BST Sneaker Post. Follow me on Twitter at BST Sneaker Post 1. And this video is about that right here. My baby. Now I got 3 babies. That's more important. My 2 kids and my girl. But yeah, I finally got her. Got the pipes done. So she dirty too. So let's see how she sounds. That's a cold start, so I'm gonna let it run. Now, I have a lot of neighbors, so I'm gonna try to rev it up, but it's only gonna be but so much. So let's get this popping. So yeah. Now, if I want to start a war with somebody, I guess I'll continually keep rubbing the engine. But pretty much, man, that's it. And, sorry about that. Let's see. This is where I got it done at. And I'm satisfied with the job. I'm good with it. I don't have no problems with it. So yeah, man, my shoe game tight all day, all night. Follow me on Instagram at BST Sneaker Post, and follow me on Twitter at BST Sneaker Post 1. And let's see. Turn this down if y'all can hear anything while I pull off. Yeah, so there y'all go. All right, I'm out.